Morning! Once again, I am going to push the limits and open the cheese a little bit too early. This is the spiced Gouda Divino that I have been waiting and waiting to try. I made it early middle March and it is now the early part of June. It is supposed to wait until early middle July, so it's like a month early. But it's already been three months. Like, that's a good aging time. That's great. I'm gonna just try it and then repack it because I need to know if this is good as I hope it's gonna be. It's all sealed in there really well. I got the recipe for this cheese from the Kitchen Creamery, the cheese making book by Luella Hill. I used 8 gallons of milk. It yielded a 6-pound, 15-ounce cheese and lots of ricotta. It smells like a cheese. If you'd like to see the recipe, the link is in the upper right-hand corner. It's lovely. It's really lovely. I'm not sure how to describe it. I think it's like the paste. It's not like the smooth chew of Swiss. It's not like that, but it's also not the tender paste and smooth, soft paste of like a Colby or a Monterey Jack. This is kind of in between. And it's not hard. It's not at all hard. It's not like Sal George or Parmesan or Asiago. It's really good. It's really, really good. This has the LM57 adjunct in, and that's supposed to give it the trademark buttery Gouda flavor that's in Gouda and in blue cheese. And it tastes buttery and it tastes good, but it's not like that much different from my other cheeses. So I don't know how much that played into this. I can't tell. But it's absolutely delicious. It's a mild, sweet cheese. The cumin is not as strong as I thought it would be. It has a nice flavor, a nice spice if you like Central American food or Indian food, but it's not overpowering. Like you would notice it if you ate it in a sandwich. You would notice it in other things, but it's not like, oh, this is all about cumin. At least that's not how it is for me. Maybe other people would be like horrified. Can you see how it bends? So it's not, it is a bendy cheese. It's not a snap, break off like my pepper jack is. It could almost use a little bit more salt, maybe. It's splendid. Oh, that's really good. Okay, gonna pop it back in and age it more. Well, I'll keep some out for us, but I'll age more of it.